Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a topic that has sent shockwaves through the financial world, the current state of the American economy. Grab a pen and paper because you're going to want to take notes. In this video, we'll break down the unsettling facts about the stock market, its recent roller coaster ride, and what it all means for your financial future. Let's get started. Alright folks, let's start with the heart of the matter, the stock market. It's been a wild ride lately, and I'm not talking about the kind you'd find at an amusement park. We're talking about a roller coaster of epic proportions. Just a few weeks ago, the market experienced its steepest drop in a single day since the Great Recession. Panic set in as investors watched their portfolios nosedive. The panic was real, and for good reason. We saw major indices like the Dow Jones Industrial Average and the S&P 500 shedding significant percentages in just a matter of hours. But what's behind this sudden turbulence? Hold on to your wallets, folks, because we're about to dive into the beast that's been haunting our economy: inflation. Prices have been skyrocketing across the board, from gas pumps to grocery store shelves. Inflation has been eating away at our purchasing power, and the Federal Reserve has been struggling to tame the beast. Why is inflation such a concern? Well, when the cost of living goes up, it puts pressure on consumers to spend less, save less, and invest less. And this, my friends, has a ripple effect on businesses, leading to decreased profits and potential layoffs. It's a vicious cycle that can send shockwaves throughout the economy. Now, let's talk about jobs. The labor market has been a hot topic lately, and not in a good way. Despite an initial post-pandemic surge in hiring, we've hit a plateau. Many businesses are struggling to find workers, and some have even been forced to scale back operations due to the labor shortage. This might sound counterintuitive, but the labor shortage is tied to multiple factors. The ongoing pandemic concerns, enhanced unemployment benefits, and shifts in the way people approach work have all played a role. This shortage can hinder economic growth and recovery, creating more uncertainty in an already tumultuous landscape. Let's talk about the elephant in the room: government spending. In an effort to prop up the economy during the pandemic, the government unleashed a wave of stimulus packages. Now, while these measures provided much-needed relief to individuals and businesses, they also come with a hefty price tag. The national debt has ballooned to unprecedented levels, and that's not a good look for the economy. A high debt burden can lead to increased interest payments, crowding out other essential spending areas. And if investors start to worry about the government's ability to pay back its debt, it could lead to higher borrowing costs for everyone. Last but not least, let's talk about the Federal Reserve, the big player in all of this. The Fed has been walking a tightrope, trying to balance its dual mandate of promoting maximum employment and maintaining stable prices. It's a delicate dance, and the stakes are high. The Fed's decisions, like adjusting interest rates and its massive bond-buying program, can have far-reaching consequences. While low interest rates can encourage borrowing and spending, they can also fuel asset bubbles and speculative behavior. And if the Fed tightens too quickly, it could jeopardize the fragile economic recovery we've been seeing. Phew, that was a lot to unpack. But knowledge is power, folks. The current state of the American economy is a complex puzzle with various pieces in play. The stock market's wild swings, inflation's relentless rise, the labor market's struggles, government spending, and the Federal Reserve's tightrope walk. All these factors intertwine, creating a landscape of uncertainty and potential turmoil. As always, the key is to stay informed, be prepared, and consider seeking professional financial advice to navigate these choppy waters. Remember, no one can predict the future with absolute certainty, but arming yourself with knowledge can make a world of difference. Stay tuned to this channel for more updates, insights, and strategies to weather these economic storms.